Good morning guys, in front of me is VIVO V40 and let me show you how to fix app crashing. So, if you do have some problems with a particular app, at first open the settings, then from main settings list, select apps, here we've got them. Now go to see all apps, so just unroll the whole list and pick this app that is crashing, whichever, let me pick Asphalt. Now go to storage and cache and mark clear cache. So that's the first step here, and then mark force stop. Tap on OK, confirm, and that's it. So let me go back, and now if it's still not working, you can go to your Play Store and check if there's no update to get from this app. So let me pick Asphalt. So here we've got it. You can install. Okay, so this is ours actually. You can install some latest version if there is some update, but as you can see, there is nothing to do. So the first step that you can take is to uninstall and install this app again. So just mark uninstall and then download it one more time. Also, before uninstalling, you can smoothly force restart of your device. So just tap on power button along with volume down button for around 10 seconds. Just tap and hold. And once you feel a smooth vibration and also see Vivo logo, you can remove both fingers from both buttons and just wait till it's rebooted. Now just unlock your device and it should all work properly. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.